So if you've ever wondered how much mass you need to make a black hole in Minecraft, well, most calculations use gold because it's in a vanilla game, 90,000 kilograms per cubic meter. However, in mods we can have osmium, which is the densest element on the periodic table, 22,000. Now with the mod AllTheCompressed and its companion AllTheCompressed, we can compress this 9 times by crafting them 9 together in a crafting table. And we can do this several times. Between the first two, we actually have the modern industrialization singularity. And up here, we have the AE2 singularity, which is typically made by funneling about 256,000 cubic meters of water. The 9 times compressed is 387,420,489 blocks of osmium. Approximately 8.75 trillion kilograms. Now, in a standard chest, we could put 64, which would be 560 trillion kilograms, but with mods, we can do better. Sophisticated storage adds these stack upgrades, so we can actually fit 65,536 blocks per square. And each of these chests has 132 slots. So, if we fill up every one of these slots with 65,000, that gives us 75 times 10 to the 18. That's still not enough. You see, we'd actually need 230 of these to actually get us to the 1.74 times 10 to the 22 kilograms that we'd actually need. But how much osmium actually is that? Well, it's a cube of osmium, about 916,000 blocks per side. But that doesn't really mean anything. In order to get an idea of that scale, we're actually going to need to go to possibly some of the largest structures in the game, the end void rings. So the distance out to the end island rings starts at 1,000 blocks. So what actually is the scale here? How far do we have to go? Yeah, that's quite a lot.